A plantation drive was organized at the Shalbagan CRPF Camp on the occasion of World Environment Day. The high-profile event was a collaborative initiative brought together by the Tripura Forest Department, the Tripura State Pollution Control Board, Techno India University and the CRPF Agartala Group Centre. The plantation drive was officially inaugurated by Tripura's Forest Minister Animesh Debbarma.
The event saw active participation from several top officials and academic leaders, underscoring a joint commitment between state agencies, Central Security Force and educationalist institutions. R.K. Samal, Principal Chief Conservator of Forests, P.L. Agrawal, Principal Chief Conservator of Forests, Dr. Kasi Kumar, Chairman of the Tripura State Pollution Control Board, R.K. Saha, Vice Chancellor of Techno India University, and Jatindra Kumar Rajput, DIG of the CRPF Agartala Group Centre. To mark the occasion, more than 200 saplings were successfully planted across the Shalbagan CRPF Camp premises during the drive. Highlighting the state's ongoing push towards sustainability, Minister Debbarma emphasized the critical importance of preserving forest ecosystems and strengthening green covers to counter environmental challenges.
To interact through my speech with the CRPF forces, I am really happy. We are facing so many challenges. People only look at us as if we are the few people responsible to protect the environment. But I must tell you, if we want to protect the biological diversity, or if we want to keep clean the environment, it is not the duty of a department alone. The responsibility starts from every household, in the city, in the rural areas, in the villages, in the CRPF camp, in the forest department offices, everywhere, all of us, we have to take responsibility. Then only the environment can be kept clean.
Security personnel, administrative officers and university representatives actively took part in the planting process, promising continuous care for the newly added green cover.
Techno India University and Group Centre CRPF Agartala and ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of HNG, DIG Tripura.
Reporter from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.